I've been talking to nobody again, bro. I'm so tired of this. So what was I saying? What I was saying is that I was hoping that the video that I had recorded here, which obviously this is me going through the video that we had made earlier, right? Jeez, oh God. Yeah, I accidentally expanded it, so let me apologize for that. So this is me going through the screen share, the smart selection of XSplit itself, and showing the options that are there, right? So you go to add sources, desktop capture, smart selection, right? And then you create the rectangle of what it is that you want to capture, right? So that's like, I feel like I just wasted a whole lot of footage a while ago. Jesus Christ. I'm really hoping I wasn't talking for that long, because that's crazy. That's just insane. This is what I don't like. I like whenever I click on this, I need it to happen immediately. Like, I don't like it when it's delayed, because when it's delayed, it gives me the impression that, okay, the microphone is unmuted, and then it wasn't. I don't like that at all. And then no, I'm afraid to unmute, or rather to mute it no, because, you know, it's crazy. It's crazy. Right? So yeah. This is fun. Because at least, let's say no, we're in an instance where anytime I want to show you, does that even look good? I suppose. Could I look better? Oh, kind of. Oh no, I don't know. That's not really the part. This is what I want. Yeah. So this is the important part. Right? Let me get out of. I was trying to get out of the way. Right? You see all of that now? Father. Yeah. So here it is, right? You go to your add source, desktop capture, smart selection. There you go. Right? And then when you do that, what you do is you draw a rectangle starting from here, and you go all the way until you cover whatever it is that you want. So you can, you know, start from here, and it will start drawing it for you, and then you go, yeah, right? I don't know if you could actually see when I could draw it though. That's a thing. Like, I don't know if that was possible. Oh, yeah, you could. Barely, but you could. You'll be able to see that pop up on your screen while you're recording, or you can use the YouTube tab or window, or you can just do a smart selection, right? When you do that, you know, it will obviously show you the dimensions to capture, right? So, you know, just giving you an idea of that. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. But just to, you know. There we go. Just putting that out there, right? So this is that is perfect. That is